trains at Hammersmith City line. This is Hammersmith, where this train's District and Piccadilly lines operate from a different station across the road. All change, please. The next station is Hawk Road. This is an Hammersmith City train to Barking. This is Hammersmith, where this train turns. Please take your belongings when you leave the train. All change. The next station is Hawk Road. This is an Hammersmith City train to Barking. This is Hammersmith, where this District and Piccadilly lines operate from a different station across the road. All change, please. Barking via King's Cross. This is Hammersmith, where this train. Please take your belongings with you when you leave the train. All change. Woo! Woo! The next station is Hawk Road. This is a Hammersmith line train to Barking. Thank you for listening to my video. This train is now left to Barking.